Pero hindi pa tayo tapos sa problema na to, ha? Kasi po, di ba, remember, it asked for how much liters of water is needed. What we got lang, Koho, was just the volume lang. Hindi pa tayo tapos. So, we need to get the, how much water is needed. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it first so that you will understand how did we get the volume. Okay? Yun. So, yun. Now, going back to Excel. Diba, remember sabi ko, ito yun. What we did was, this 0.91, that is the depth of the kiddie pool. Tapos, yung area of the kiddie pool, that's the one. Diba, the area of the kiddie pool, that is like the area of the base. And then, multiplied by the depth, we should get this answer. 367.515,648 cubic meters. Yun. And then what we did first, we need to sum this up all together. Kasi nga the thing is, dapat isa-sum namin lahat to. So ang ginawa namin, we need to convert that into milliliters. Because remember, sabi dito sa problema na to, we need to get liters of water. The good news is, we can convert volume units or cubic units into liquefied units. And how do you do that? The first thing you need to do is to convert the cubic meters into cubic centimeters. Once it's already in cubic centimeters, you can convert that to liquefied units easily. So, ganito kasi yung nangyari. So, we know that 1 cubic meter is 1,000 cubic cm. Paano naging 1,000 cubic cm? Before that, ganito kasi yung nangyari. Di ba remember ganito yun? We need to add up all the two areas that we got. Di ba remember ito yung kukunin namin? Ito, tsaka yung ito. We need to get the kiddie pool and the pool all together. So with that, isa-sum namin silang dalawa. So ang ginawa ko dito, sinam ko yung dalawa. Wait lang ah. Sinam ko yung dalawa. I sum these two. Sum of this one and this one. Ang ginawa ko, I convert it first to cubic centimeters. So, ganito kasi yung ginawa ko. We know that 1 cubic meter, di ba remember, ganito kasi yung relation. 1 meter is 100 cm. But because it's cubic, we're gonna have to cube it. Distribute, remember 1 cube is just 1. 1 meter cube. Then 100 cm cube, 100 times 100 times 100, edi 1 million. Yun. That's how it's meant to be distributed. Okay? So, yun po talaga yung nangyari. So, it's 100 times 100 times 100 or 100 cube, which will yield 1 million. And then from there, this one, be multiplied by 1 million or move the decimal places 6 places to the right. So, kung ganito, ito yung decimal place mo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yun, ganito siya. Kung ito naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dagdag ng dalawang zero. And then with that, we sum the two. Sinam namin yung dalawa dito. And you should get this answer in cubic centimeters. And just like what I said, ang answer doon sa cubic centimeters, i-convert mo sa milliliters. Tama? It's still the same. So, 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 1 milliliter. So your unit is still the same. 3,308,226,048 milliliters. But we're still not yet done yet. Kasi nga remember, we need to convert that to liters. Kasi nga ask kung gaano maraming ng liter na kailangan namin sa pool. So that's when you need to convert that to liters. And we know that 1 liter is 1,000 ml. Or in short, you can just move the decimal point 3 places to the left, which will give you 3,308,226.048 liters of water. So, yun. Ganito kasi yun. Yan. We divide by that by 1,000 and we should get this answer. And our final answer is, yun. Ito yung final answer. 3,308,226 liters of water is needed for this aquatic project. Although we round off na namin. Pero okay lang yan. Okay? And that's good to go. Praise the Lord, we're done with 3 problems.